What's up guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to change time zone in Meta Ads Manager. So stick around to the end so you don't miss a step. So here in our dashboard we're going to look at the sidebar. Here in the sidebar we have some options and we're going to come over to the icon that has the coins. Here the coins represent billing and payments. So now we're here in billing and payments, we have two tabs. We're going to select the payment settings. So after selecting payment settings we're going to scroll down to the bottom where we have business info. And then on the right side of this card, we're going to see edit. So when we click on edit, here in the pop-up, we have the tax information where we can also change the currency and time zone. So in order to change the time zone, you just need to click the drop-down menu and select the time zone which we would like to have. After doing this, you're going to scroll to the bottom and click on save. After saving, your time zone will be saved as you wish. So this is how to change time zone in Meta Ads Manager.